Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about something very important: your ATM cards, your shopping cards, and your banking cards, and how they could quietly be sitting exposed online through your phone without even realizing it. Now, obviously, saving cards online is convenient because nobody wants to be constantly typing those card numbers, expiry dates, security codes, and billing details every single time they want to buy something online. So naturally, most of us allow Google and Chrome to save these details for us. But here's where things get very dangerous. It no longer just saves the card details, but in many cases, even your CVV or CVC security codes can be stored too. And that's where the real risk begins. Because once somebody gains access to your Google account, your autofill system, or your saved payment details, they could potentially have almost everything needed to use your card online. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to check whether your security codes are being stored, how to stop them from being stored, and how to add extra security protection before autofill even works. But without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come up for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. Now imagine this: you hand your phone over to somebody for just a few minutes, or maybe your Google account gets compromised, somebody accesses your browser, or malware silently gets access to your autofill data. And without realizing, your full payment card, including your security codes, could already be sitting there, ready to be used. And the scary part is most people don't even know this setting exists. So let me show you exactly where it is. Now, most of us think the danger is only in the cards being saved, but honestly, the real danger is when the CVV or CVC security code is also stored online. Now, for people who don't know, CVV or CVC is a 3-digit or sometimes 4-digit security code that is on your card. And normally, the code is supposed to act as the final layer of protection during an online purchase. But once it's saved online too, anybody who gains access to your autofill system almost has everything needed. And this is how you can check it. We're going to go into Google Chrome right there. And then once we're in Google Chrome, we're going to come up here and tap on these 3 dots. Then we scroll down till we get settings and select settings. Now, when we scroll down and come under passwords and autofill, this is where everything is. Because we can come here into payment methods, and we're going to see all the card details there. Now, once you're here, and that's if you've selected Google Chrome as your payment method. When we back out of here and we come here into autofill services, we can select this, and you can see here we have autofill with Google. If you selected autofill with Google, then this applies to you. But if you've selected here autofill with another service, that's in this case, because you're a Samsung user, that's going to be your Samsung Pass. That is going to be it. That's quite secure. So switching to that is one safe way, or else when we come back inside here and we're inside the payment method, once this has been set as the main method, this is what you're going to do. So one, ensure first and foremost that this very option here, that's verify that it's you to autofill payment method, has been toggled on. This way, every time you're going to have a prompting to input a fingerprint, PIN, or Face ID in order for your card payment to be input anywhere. And then also down here, you want to make sure that as you see the option here, save security code, you want to toggle this off so that your security codes are no more saved together with these card details. As you can see here, it's written for this very card CVC saved, and that's where the issue starts. Now, if you already have some saved, you can come here and tap on delete and delete those data so that no CVV or code is saved in this space. That way, in the event your phone gets compromised or your account gets hacked into, you still are safe all the way. All right, so I'm glad I'm able to show you this. But before we leave this video, I'm going to be showing you an extra layer of security that you can turn on here to ensure that you have extra protection. Let's add one more layer of protection, because even if somebody somehow gains access to your phone, we still don't want passwords and autofill details exposing themselves freely. And thankfully, Google gives us another biometric protection layer inside there. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to scroll down and go into settings, and once you're here, you're going to scroll down till you get to Google and tap on Google. In here, you're going to go into services and then scroll down till you get to autofill and passwords. Now, right here, you want to select this very option, that's autofill with Google, and ensure that in here you've gone under preference, and then you have toggled on authenticate with biometrics before filling in passwords. So this one also is just an additional layer for your autofill details. Once this has been turned on, you are good. And in the event that you're going to input not just your password but any other autofill detail, you're going to be prompted to put in your fingerprint before. And this pertains to everything on your phone and not necessarily only on your browser. So if you didn't know this, I'm glad I was able to show you. Now, honestly, a lot of people think phone security is only about viruses, malwares, and hackers. But sometimes the biggest risk are the settings we ourselves leave enabled without realizing it. Because once your card details, security codes, autofill system become exposed, it can become very dangerous and very quickly also. So after this video, go check those settings immediately. And if you found this video very useful, share this video to somebody else too. Because trust me, most people have no idea that these settings even exist. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.